Hi, I'm Mr. Kassin, and welcome to Week 4 Science Experiment. We're not going to talk about my new haircut, and we're just going to jump right in. This week, we're doing the water walk. What you're going to need is 7 clear smaller cups, some paper towels, a pitcher of water, some scissors, and the primary food coloring, red, yellow, and blue. First, you're going to take your cups and line them up 1 through 7 like this. You can also put them in a circle, but for this experiment, I'm going to do it like this just for you guys to see. Next, you're going to take the water and you're going to fill up the first, the third, the fifth, and the 7th cup most of the way up. I would say about 2/3 of the way up, but a little more never hurts. So the first, the third, the fifth, and then the 7th. Next, you're going to take your food coloring. You're going to start with the red one and put 5 drops into the first one, the 7th one, you're going to take your yellow one and put 5 drops into the 3rd one, and you're going to take the blue one and put 5 drops into the 5th one. Last, you're going to need some paper towels. For this experiment, you only need 1/2 sheet. Next, you're going to take this half sheet and fold it into 1/8. So to do that, you take it and you fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again. And then you fold it in half one more time. Should look like something like this. It's into 8 pieces. Once you have your 8 sections, you're going to take your scissors and cut them out. Once you have your 6 strips, you're going to put them inside the cups, one going from cup 1 to cup 2. You want to make sure that the bottom of the paper towel is touching the bottom of the cup. From cup 2 to cup 3. From cup 3 to cup 4, cup 4 to cup 5, cup 5 to cup 6, and cup 6 to cup 7. So now that we have all of our pieces in there, what's going to happen is that the water is going to travel up the paper towel. And the paper towel has fine fibers in it that it's going to use to travel through one cup and into the other one. And let's observe what happens over time. Oh, it's done. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours, and as you can see, the water went up the paper towels, and now each cup, it's leveled out, all the water. And what used to just be the primary colors, we have a rainbow of colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and indigo, or whatever color this is over here. So what did we learn today? We learned that water can actually walk. We learned that it can go up a paper towel due to the fibers inside and back down into a new cup, and that if we use different food coloring, we can show a whole rainbow of colors. Thank you for watching this week's science experiment. And remember, don't try any of this without adult supervision at home.